Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these paprika and spinach pancakes with a paprika fried egg. The method I'm using here is flash blanching with the boiling water from the tap. It's going to really quickly set the colour of the spinach without overcooking it and taking out too many nutrients. Next we're going to start to work on the base for the pancake batter. So first up, once we've strained all the water from the spinach, we can blend that with cottage cheese and milk, and that is the first part of the pancake mix. Then we're on to the flour and eggs, which we're going to whisk together and then mix through with the spinach. And finally, we can season that with some kosher salt and black pepper. We're working with a pan on a medium heat and a little bit of oil to get that beautiful golden colour. Once they're cooked, we can start to work on our egg. I'm cooking my egg in a paprika butter. Next, we just need to chop some fresh herbs to finish off the dish, and we're ready to go.